Hey there, fitness enthusiasts and all those who are working hard to achieve their dream body. Today, I'm here to introduce you to a game changer in the world of fitness, the Smart EMS Wireless Muscle Stimulator Trainer Massager. This innovative device is designed to help you tone and tighten your muscles while aiding in weight loss. The best part? It's wireless and portable, so you can use it anywhere, anytime. Whether you're at home, at the gym, or even at work, you can easily incorporate this into your fitness routine. With multiple size options available, you can choose the perfect fit for your body type and preferences. Plus, it's made with durable and high-quality composite material, ensuring long-lasting use. And the best part is that it's powered by dry batteries, which are easy to replace after use, making it convenient and fast. If you're someone who's looking to take their fitness journey to the next level, then this Smart EMS Wireless Muscle Stimulator Trainer Massager is definitely for you. It's time to say goodbye to traditional workout methods and welcome this revolutionary device into your life. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below and grab your Smart EMS Wireless Muscle Stimulator Trainer Massager today. Trust me, you won't regret it. Let's work towards our fitness goals together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and product reviews. Let's crush those fitness goals, one stimulator at a time.